Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean USB drive and confirming you have admin privileges. This avoids permission errors during creation. Once you insert the USB, make sure you backed up its contents because the process formats the drive. Then, open the Start menu and type Create a Recovery Drive to launch the Recovery Media Creator. This tool copies system files needed to reinstall Windows. Make sure to check Backup System Files to the recovery drive so you can reinstall if the PC won't boot. You'll now select the inserted USB from the list. Pause and confirm the drive letter and capacity so you don't overwrite the wrong device. Once you check Backup System Files to the recovery drive, the tool copies Windows image files and recovery tools. This makes the USB capable of reinstalling Windows 10. Click Next, then Create, and let the process run. Avoid ejecting the drive. If it pauses, be patient. Larger drives and slower ports make transfers take longer. You finish by ejecting the USB safely and labeling it as your Windows 10 recovery drive so you can find it when needed. To use it, insert it into the target PC, then enter BIOS/UEFI or press the boot menu key to boot from USB. This loads recovery options to repair or reinstall Windows. If creation failed earlier, try a different high-quality USB or run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. Then repeat creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.